Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have an analog watch or app ready. Start now by holding it flat and level toward the sky. Point the hour hand directly at the sun. This establishes the reference line you need. If daylight saving applies, subtract 1 hour. Make sure to adjust. Once done, bisect the angle between the hour hand and 12 o'clock. That midpoint gives you the south direction in the northern hemisphere. This first step sets the geometric basis for all following adjustments. Now refine directions. In the northern hemisphere, identify the midpoint between the hour hand and 12 o'clock. That line points to south. Conversely, in the southern hemisphere, point 12 at the sun and bisect toward north. Make sure to account for the sun's east to west travel. If time has passed, nudge your reference accordingly. Once you mark south or north, rotate your body so the chosen point aligns with the watch's midpoint. Then read east and west at right angles. This gives you a usable. To finish, verify your bearing with a known landmark or GPS. Confirmation reduces error. If the sun is low, near sunrise or sunset, make larger allowance. The angle becomes shallow and less precise, so level your watch carefully and rebisect. If you get a jittery reading, repeat the process after 10 to 15 minutes. This averages out brief misalignments. One troubleshooting tip. If shadows or clouds obscure the sun, use a stick shadow for the same bisect method. Align the watch to the stick's shadow tip.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.